3D printing is a process for making a physical object from a three-dimensional computer-aided design. This CAD is brought into physical form via filament being heated to a liquid state, then being extruded through a nozzle onto a plate. This layer of molten material partially solidifies to allow another layer to be built on top. These built-up layers eventually form the desired object. The ongoing COVID-19 outbreak shows the usefulness of 3D printing as a flexible, fast tool of manufacturing, with much of the manufacture of PPE being done by 3D printing as opposed to traditional techniques that can take weeks to set up and produce results. However, a limitation of 3D printing is that a nozzle is subject to constraints in speed of extrusion based on filament temperature. The nozzle has to heat up the filament enough that it can bond with the adjacent layers. Extruding too fast means the filament doesn't have the chance to be heated sufficiently such that it can bond. The nozzle is purposefully designed to maximize the rate of heat transfer to heat up the filament as quickly as possible, as can be seen in this heat analysis of a filament nozzle produced in CAD. The green area around the nozzle shows the highest rate of heat transfer, which is directed to filament that passes through it. Another limitation is the unavoidable trade-off between speed and precision of manufacturing based on the nozzle size. The larger the nozzle, the quicker the print takes as more material can be extruded per second. However, the more prominent the layering is, which can lead to surface roughness and the inability to produce better curved finishes. A novel idea to counteract this limitation is through simultaneously combining 3D printing with reductive manufacturing through the use of a hybrid nozzle that's capable of both adding material by extruding it and removing material with the use of a laser. The nozzle could therefore be larger and print a quicker rough-net shape of the desired object, which layer by layer could be refined and polished using the laser to create precise dimensions.